Well, it's a good a time as any to show off what this is and do a proper video. So, you see I've got one here already. It's actually my own design. Uses 2 screws, came with the printer. I forget where they came from exactly. But pop this one off the build plate. Maybe. Oops. That one there, that one there. This last revision was for these hooks. Hopefully it fits a little better. Pop these off. And you wonder why the lower deck of this is so dirty all the time. It's because I just throw things. But clean the bed here. I know you're supposed to wipe them after every time you touch them, but so far it's been working great. Knock that tree off there. You see that I did a quick and dirty print, so things aren't great, but they'll work. So now that these parts are free, I'm going to test fit this one, and if it fits, we'll go put some heat set inserts in it and pick up from there. Well, good news. That could not fit any tighter. That should be nice and stable. So let's pop the old inserts out of this one, since it's no longer any good to us, and put them in the new one and get this thing mounted. Okay, here we are at the desk. Heat set inserts are done. You see I recycled them out of the old one. No point in using fresh ones, you know. So this can go in the trash. That can go on the machine with the screen. And off we go. Alright, now it's just a simple matter of plugging that in through the hole with the screen cable here, and then installing it onto the front of the machine. So let me do that real quick. If I had my tripod, I would do this on film, but it's out in the truck. So now, as you can see, the screen is on and powered. That's just a simple matter of taking your 2.5mm Allen wrench, setting your screw tension so it stays in position or has just enough drag to where it doesn't fall down. If I can get it in the screw. There we are. These long ones are nice for this, and most things on 3D printers. So if you can get a set of the long wrenches, I would advise you do so. So let me set this other one and we'll be right back. Okay, so there you go. I mean, it's not perfect, obviously. You could probably use a little more tension, maybe a little more smooth, but